Hello. Today I just bought two new rubber straps from cheapestnatostrap. Like we see, it's some tropic. Hop. It's blue petrol rubber strap for my seiko turtle. I put the seiko metal buckle for a perfect combo. It's a Pepsi model. For this seiko, I search for many times a new rubber strap because often the rubber is not my favorite strap. But I have a big love for the tropic style, and cheapestnatostrap propose some many color, like this black one or this blue one. We can see the texture. Very cool. This one, it's a 22 millimeters. Very smoothie, very comfortable. I recommend so much. And like we see, the seiko buckle is so nice. For this seiko here and for this spinnaker, this brand I love so much too. I want a new strap too, because the spinnaker sent me this watch for the publicity, and this brand is so awesome, but on a leather strap. The leather strap is water resistant, so perfect, so green, so cool, yes. But I practice some swim, some surf, some triathlon, many sport in water, and I want sometime a metal strap like my other seiko with a shark strap or rubber. And when I see this black one, this black rubber, we can see the texture too, I bought immediately. Very cool and perfect with the style of the spinnaker. I put the buckle spinnaker on this strap too. You can see the bottom. Yep. These straps are not China made, are made in Swedish. So cool, so perfect. I recommend so much the rubber tropic from cheapestnatostrap. Very cool quality, not expensive, and perhaps the best rubber I bought since many time. Have a good day, and I say one more thing. It's the car interior theme for Watch team for Instagram, a contest photography, or perhaps today more photography with the SKX or the spinnaker in the car interior. Okay, I am good. Bye bye.